Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas are the Barndominium heartland of America. But choosing the wrong builder in any of these states can cost you $40,000 to $60,000 in overcharges, delays, and poor workmanship. I'm breaking down the best builders in each state, what they actually charge, and which ones to avoid completely in 2026. Stay through this because there's one Texas builder that quietly undercuts competitors by 15 to 20% on shell kits, and most people never hear about them because they don't advertise. Also, there's a specific question you need to ask every builder before signing that reveals whether they're legit or overpriced. I'll give you the exact wording at the end. These recommendations come from actual 2026 builds, contractor pricing, and customer reviews across all 3 states. I'm covering builders who specialize in barndominiums, not general contractors who do them occasionally. These are the names that keep showing up when people build successfully and stay on budget. Why these 3 states? Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas dominate barndominium construction for good reasons. Texas has minimal building codes in rural counties, massive land availability, and a huge network of metal building suppliers. Labor costs are reasonable, materials are plentiful. Oklahoma shares Texas's rural-friendly regulations and has even lower land costs in most areas. Tornadoes make metal buildings attractive for their durability. Arkansas combines affordable land, easy permitting in unincorporated counties, and a growing barndominium community. It's the quiet value state most people overlook. All 3 states have established barndominium builders with proven track records. You're not the first person building here. That means competitive pricing and experienced crews. Quick reality check. The cheapest quote is almost never the best. If someone is $50K below everyone else, they're cutting corners somewhere. Let's look at who actually delivers. Texas builders. Texas has the most options and the most competition. DC builders, statewide coverage, shell kits $30 to $45 per square foot, turnkey $110 to $150 per square foot. Known for quality metal and fast timelines. Strong in Central and South Texas. Get quotes from them first. Morton Buildings, national company with Texas locations. Premium pricing $140 to $180 per square foot turnkey, but warranty and engineering are top tier. Best for zero-risk buyers. Expect to pay 20 to 30% more than regional builders. Barndominium Life, Central Texas. Shell kits $28 to $40 per square foot. Turnkey $100 to $140 per square foot. Good reputation for customer service. Handles permitting and engineering. Mid-range pricing with solid quality. Texas Barndominiums, North Texas and Panhandle focus. Shell kits $32 to $48 per square foot. Turnkey $115 to $155 per square foot. Strong engineering department. Worldwide Steel Buildings. Here's the one I teased. They sell DIY kits directly at $15 to $25 per square foot for the shell. No installation included. If you're acting as your own GC or hiring local contractors, this quietly undercuts everyone by 15 to 20%, ships nationwide. Most people miss it because they don't do turnkey. Koenig Builders, South Texas, known for quick turnarounds. Shell kits $30 to $42 per square foot. Turnkey $105 to $145 per square foot. Good for fast timelines. Avoid builders who won't provide references from the last 12 months or who ask for more than 25% up front. Texas has plenty of good options. Don't settle for sketchy ones. Texas has the most choices, but right next door, Oklahoma. Oklahoma builders. Oklahoma has fewer barndominium-specific builders than Texas, but the ones here are solid and often cheaper. Oklahoma Barndominiums, statewide. Shell kits $28 to $40 per square foot. Turnkey $100 to $140 per square foot. Known for tornado-rated construction and quality engineering, strong in rural builds. Wick Buildings, national company with Oklahoma presence. Premium builds $130 to $170 per square foot, turnkey. Comparable to Morton in quality and price.
good for buyers prioritizing durability and warranty. Morton Buildings also operates in Oklahoma. Same premium pricing, $140 to $180 per square foot, turnkey. Excellent if budget isn't your primary concern. General Steel Buildings sells shell kits, $18 to $28 per square foot, DIY or contractor installed. Good option if you're managing the build yourself. No turnkey service. Oklahoma builders focus heavily on wind ratings because of tornado risk. Expect engineering to be more robust here than in calmer climates. That's a good thing. If a builder in Oklahoma won't discuss wind load ratings and engineering, walk away. Tornadoes are real. Your building needs to be rated for it. Arkansas builders. Arkansas is the underdog state for Barndominiums, but it has strong options and the lowest prices right now. Arkansas Barndominiums, statewide. Shell kits, $26 to $38 per square foot. Turnkey, $95 to $135 per square foot. Known for working in unincorporated counties with minimal permitting. Excellent value. Walters Buildings, regional builder covering Arkansas and surrounding states. Shell kits, $30 to $45 per square foot. Turnkey, $110 to $150 per square foot. Solid reputation for quality and timelines. Morton Buildings. Yes, they're in Arkansas too. Same premium pricing, $140 to $180 per square foot, turnkey. Excellent if budget isn't your primary concern. Mueller Metal Buildings sells shell kits, $20 to $32 per square foot, DIY focused. Good for cost-conscious buyers managing their own builds. Arkansas pricing tends to run 5 to 10% lower than Texas or Oklahoma for similar builds because land and labor are cheaper. That makes it an excellent value state if you're willing to build in rural areas. Here's the catch most people miss. Location beats builder reputation every time. A great builder in a high-cost county will still cost you more than an average builder in a low-regulation area. Here's the question I promised earlier. Ask this to every builder before you sign anything. Can you provide 3 references from projects completed in the last 12 months with similar square footage and finishes to what you're planning? Professional builders say yes immediately and provide contact info. Bad builders make excuses. Our customers value privacy. We've been so busy we haven't tracked that. Just look at our website. If they won't provide recent references, walk away. No exceptions. Also ask these. What's included in your shell kit price? Make them list every component. Compare apples to apples. What's your payment schedule? Professionals do 10 to 25% upfront, then progress payments. Anyone asking for 50% upfront is a red flag. Who handles permitting and engineering? Some include it, some don't. Know before you sign. What's your timeline from contract to completion? Get it in writing. Verbal promises mean nothing. What warranty do you provide? Materials should have manufacturer warranty. Workmanship should have builder warranty for at least 1 year.
Pricing comparison. Quick side-by-side for a 2,000 square foot Barndominium turnkey build. Texas, $200,000 to $240,000 budget. $220,000 to $280,000 mid-range. $280,000 to $360,000 premium. Oklahoma, $200,000 to $250,000 budget, $220,000 to $280,000 mid-range, $280,000 to $360,000 premium. Arkansas, $190,000 to $230,000 budget, $190,000 to $270,000 mid-range, $270,000 to $350,000 premium. Arkansas saves you $10,000 to $20,000 on the same build compared to Texas or Oklahoma. That's real money. National versus regional. Should you use a national builder like Morton or a regional specialist? National builders, Morton, Wick, higher cost, better engineering, stronger warranties, established processes.
Best if you prioritize low risk over low cost. Expect to pay 20 to 30% more. Regional builders, DC builders, Oklahoma Barndominiums, Arkansas Barndominiums, lower cost, local knowledge, faster decision making. Best if you want value and are comfortable doing your own due diligence. Savings of $40,000 to $80,000 on a typical build.
DIY kit suppliers, Worldwide Steel, General Steel, Mueller. Lowest cost, no installation, you manage everything. Best if you're experienced or hiring your own contractors. Savings of $60,000 to $100,000 on a 2,000 square foot build, but you're doing the work.
There's no wrong choice. Match the builder type to your priorities and experience level. Here's the truth. Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas give you more barndominium builder options than any other region in America. But more options means you need to do your homework. The best builders provide references, detailed contracts, reasonable deposits, clear timelines, and proper licensing. If your builder doesn't check all those boxes, find a different one. Don't choose based on the lowest price. Choose based on the best value, which means quality work, fair pricing, and a builder who communicates clearly from start to finish. Which state are you building in? Drop a comment with your location. If you need help vetting builders in your area, let me know. And if this helped you narrow down your options, subscribe, because I cover real builder reviews and cost breakdowns every week. Building smart means choosing the right builder in the right state. Now you know both.